Hey, good afternoon, everybody. It's Mike. It is Wednesday. This is our midweek update. What can I say about this market? It's choppy, it's difficult. It's, depending upon how you trade, it can be very difficult. It can be really good if you're trading very quick, depends on what you're doing. But you can see here, Chris, have a great night. Enjoy your dinner. Go on us a pitch. We'll catch you tomorrow. Sorry, saying goodbye to people in the room. Um, we're just chopping around. There's a gap here at 444.95. We kissed it today and we bounced right out of it. And, overall, we're not going anywhere. You can see we are off the highs. We've gotten a 3% pullback in the market the last 2 days in a row. We have an unfilled gap for $2 sitting below here. The market failed today at the 21 day. The last complete 8 days been some problems. Everything's turning down. But this market refuses to sell. And what I mean by that is, every time we get down here into the morning hours, we turn around, we reverse right around lunchtime and shoot right back up on lower volume. And the volume is generally pretty low. In fact, it was very low for the first hour today where we chopped like mad before reselling came in. So it's a time to be careful. We have CPI tomorrow. I'm not expecting much, but one never knows. The numbers have generally been in line, and that's what the market is looking for. So 0.2% month over month. I think 3.3% year over year they're expecting, but that's supposed to be elevated a little bit. So we'll see what we get here. If you're looking at what else is going on, we can look at the Qs. The Qs can hit harder all the way back to the 50-day now. We've hit the 5% pullback on the Qs. The IWM lost a 21-day week. The diamonds have been holding in better. Why? Because they're running for protection. Energy's been strong. Nice 2-day move here, new range highs. The banks, with everything going on, continue to hold in. You had names like Procter & Gamble showing their strength today, and CAT, right, also strong. Costco, nice move there. Halliburton and Energy has broken out. Schlumberger has finally broken out. So you got some breakouts going on in the energy space. Back closer to home, Meta came down, filled that gap. Just about filled that gap. Just missed it by a hair, close enough. Couldn't hold the earnings gap. Google still sitting here well above it. Amazon's been dancing its way in and out of it the last couple of days, not showing the strength I'd like to see there. NVIDIA got absolutely hammered this morning, all the way down below the 50-day before reversing and heading back up. They have earnings next week. Tesla came down, got close to its gap there, but didn't get into it. And what was the other one? I wanted Apple also sitting here, bouncing off the 100-day, just remains weak, nowhere's near for that earnings gap and just not moving towards it. So again, it's a time to be careful. Trade within yourself. I didn't do much today. I traded Square, came out about pretty much net like a $10 loss, which is about the same, and just said, that's it, I'm done here for today unless I see something I really want. And I didn't get the kind of action I was looking for. So I sat on my hands waiting for better action. Hopefully tomorrow CPI, if that's what's bothering the market, gives us a move one way or the other. I'd like to see a little bit more of a range break in this market, but this market's holding in strong and there's a tremendous amount of FOMO in it. Again, historically, August, one of the toughest months of the year for trading. September, one of the worst months of the year for trading. So be extra careful out there. And I'll stay late with you guys in the room for earnings tonight, and everybody else will catch live in the AM.